Good afternoon to all and happy anniversary to TEFINET. It's really great to celebrate in Thailand, the country of one of the oldest FETPs. A very special pleasure for me to join you today, even if only virtually. It's an opportunity to see old friends such as Mark White and Dionysios, but also because I have a strong personal belief in field, apply, or intervention epidemiology. Today, global health security requires infrastructure, of course, procedures, but above all, it does require skilled professionals. The best infrastructure and the best procedures will not make things happen, while skilled professionals, even with limited resources, will do quite a lot when it comes to, for instance, outbreak investigations. WHO needs partnership. It's very clear in the late 90s when we were dealing with a plague outbreak in Surat, India, and then followed by the Ebola outbreak in the city of Kikwit, as former Zaire, in 95. It's very clear that we needed extra support, and WHO alone will not do it. It was a time for developing partnership, and TEFINET was one of the first partnership we developed in 1997. And I will come back on that. We also at that time developed the beginning of what becomes the Global Outbreak Alert and Response Network, the GORN, another broad partnership which allows us to also use a number of FETP programs. It was also the time when we were actually developing the integrated disease surveillance, particularly used in sub-Saharan Africa, for instance, and when we also started the revisions of the international health regulations. So back to June 1997, at a place called L'Épensière, which is home of the Mérieux Foundations, close to Annecy in France, we had a small group of motivated professionals, senior staff from CDC, from Public Health School Without Walls, from the FETPs, and from WHO that come together. They came together and started working on a concept of wheels and many spokes, which we named at that time TEFINET. I remember Mark White from CDC and the FETP Philippines, together with Manuel Derit, and Manuel Derit facilitated the two-day meetings and become later Secretary of Health of the Philippines. And he played a key role actually in this first day of TEFINET. I remember Fred Webb-Wire from the Public Health School Without Walls from Uganda. I remember David Eman, Mike Ryan, and myself from WHO. Still, I'm missing many names, so sorry if I cannot name everyone. But I wish to mention here the late Dr. Charles Mérieux, who came to participate with us, not for very long, but participated to the sessions, and who provided not only the logistical support through his foundations, but also, I would say, inspirations, as he was a solid believer in field epidemiology programs. Since that time, I have to say that I've been really impressed by the success, evolution, and progress made by TEFINET. I noticed regional networks, I noticed the FELTPs, the FELVTPs, the scientific conferences, the frontline FETP for 3 months now, and the accreditation processes. So all these things shows that what happened in 97 was the beginning of a story which is far from being closed and which will continue today. So I thank you again and wish you a fruitful anniversary conference and all the best for these coming days. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.